there's any spirits here with us, can you please ring the bell? Oh man, it's like a burp.
It really did, dude.
Excuse you.
Have you been drinking some booze? I've never heard that before. That's the first.